Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn some interesting tips. For example, let's say I'm drawing this random things, okay? And what I want to do is, I basically want to make a fully defined sketch. Now, the way to do is, I go here and give them dimensional. And you realize that quickly that it will take a lot of time to give dimensioning and it is time consuming. So what I can do is click on here, click on fully defined sketch. As I have to define all the parameters, so I will use all entities in sketch. Click OK. Notice, voila. And my sketch is fully defined now. So in that way, you can convert any underdefined sketch into fully defined sketch. Hope you guys learned something from this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video to motivate us. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.